Now while I'm rebuilding this clutch, I'm also doing a few other things. This is the rear tail light for the flush Honda mount here, and my pipe knocks on it a little bit when I go under compression run, so I constantly kind of fix it up. Another thing you need to do is remember, I've had a lot of guys ask me, a lot of people ask me, these engines are an air pump, they should have no leaks. So what you want to do is take your little hands right there, just like you do in auto body, and you want to feel underneath and look at your hands and see if there's any water there or around this seal. This seal is working great. I mean, it is just bitch tight. And I'm figuring if I want to raise the compression, what I'll do is I'll take off that one thick gasket on the base down here, and just it'll lower the head a little bit, lower the cylinder. But you want to take your hands and put them underneath wherever there could be a leak. Reach around, just pretend it's a 19-year-old really good looking Brazilian Chiquitas. Oh well, that's another video on that. But anyway, you can have leaks anywhere, and if they happen to you 5 or 10 miles outside of town or wherever, then they're not going to do you any good. And a lot of times you won't find them. You should have no leaks between right here, this carburetor, all the way through the intake, going into your motor. No leaks around the base here. And what you want to do, see that I got all that cleaned up. That way if there's any leaks, I'll know it. There can be no leaks in the bottom base gaskets down in here. There can be no leaks in this water here. And on these heads, these have a tendency to, in my thing, is where the gases will get into the bolt galleys, and they'll blow a little bit of water out of the top, which is not good. So I haven't had that problem yet because I put the doweling in there. This doweling has worked really, really well on this. This is the fastest, best head I've ever had.